Let's see. Maybe I should let Ira be the doctor now. Because I'm curious, because the loyalty is above 25%. Maybe I should use myself to be talk to the miner guy. Maybe he will actually give us income now. Eterna, you should go on duty. On duty, squad 1. And who's the highest leadership here? 3 and 22. It's horrible. But yeah, I'm using the second slot of... What? Fine. I'll pay money to train militia. Because there's 2 groups just lurking around here. Not trusting that one bit. So yeah, I'm gonna move myself around. One area to the south.
Got where I needed to be. What's on the agenda?
Turn it. That's the wrong area. Wanted that area. Thank you. That appears to be the right one.
Jeez, talk about losing face. What's this?
Oh, hand grenade. Oh yeah, there's tons of stuff around here, isn't there?
Got it.
I'll just pick that one up. The rest I can just pick up through the any interface. Why can't I select that ground? Now I can. Unusual. Oh dear, my hospital's really nearly gone. You can just hear the crows eating. It's not nice. It's very unpleasant. I wonder if when they're ever going to get rid of those bodies. I mean seriously, don't these villagers want some clean streets? Let's see what Carl wants. You cannot see Carl. This fog's really blocking the way.
Back again, man?
Yeah.
I can't. Way back. I mean, before all this shooting and crap started, Aruco was a magnet for tourists. Pulled in a lot of money for the country, too. Well, you're busy.
He still doesn't want to work. Threaten, perhaps?
Hey, hold it down. Well...
God, he still doesn't want to help. Maybe they only will if you completely liberate the town. But I'm thinking Fred, that... oh dear, wrong button. What the hell did I just press to get into prone? Or, yeah, prone. Oh well, whatever. But yeah, I don't get it. What did I, when is he ever going to help us?
Got where I needed to be. What's on the agenda?
You may actually just be a doctor. How's Thor doing?
Move on.
Not great. Not great. Yeah, continue training. Seriously. I'm considering options for that field. How am I going to get... What's the best way to attack that? Because I wasn't really digging the south way. Yeah, only not a lot of hiding places. I guess I'll just have to do though. Man, they've got a lot of health to recover still. Out of medical kits. Bad. Very bad. train militia, because I'm an expert teacher I believe, so should go quicker than otherwise. If I'm not sleeping, that is.
Looking for something to do.
Continue training. Yes. Because he's nearly trained all rookie militia. After that you can train them up to...
I may make a career out
shut up. You can actually train them to regular militia. Which means they're going to be... yeah, they're going to have a lot more experience. And this seems like they're going to attack soon. The mine, that is. Really seems that way. So perhaps I'm not even going to be able to get to the airport soon. If those groups merge up, I know they're going to attack. I hope I get my second group of militia here.
I may make a career.
Wait,
Finished here.
did I just see that correctly? I saw a group here, and then I saw them move in there. So they've basically just resupplied everyone we just killed. Damn, I screwed myself over then. But yeah, I think after this I'm not going to have any hospitals at all. It's going to be bad. That basically means I can't take any
Ready
damage.
to move on.
Fox, train more. Just keep training. Especially the mine. And Ira's out of medical kits as well. That's bad. Very bad. Nope. Clicking wrong again. Yeah, his health is not great. Not great at all. Like, why doesn't that work? Trainer of dexterity and a student of dexterity. Maybe it needs another student? Or perhaps Thor is just too high to learn from her. That might be it. I'm just gonna have him... yeah, I'm just gonna see how quick that is going to go.
I'm finished here.
Yeah, train more. I want all the militia possible. Let's see, Thor. How quick are you healing? 61 points. Now a while later.
Looking for something to do.
Yes, keep training. At least we've got full rookie militia and Chitsena now. That's pretty decent. And like, it took a total day, and he's only gained 1 hit point. I'm gonna have to look that up, haven't I? I think I'm gonna call this a short set, and I'll really just have to read up on how to get some more hospitals at this point in the game. And judging from these 2 squares, we're gonna see another attack on Drassen soon, so that should be fun, so to say. So let's save it, and Drassen recovery after airport assault. So next time we're probably going to get attacked, and perhaps we're going to attack the airfield as well if we get around to it. So as always, thanks for watching, see you next time.